Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Vega women's trimmer. First, make sure your trimmer is fully charged to avoid interruptions during your grooming session. Next, prepare your skin by cleansing and drying the area you intend to trim. This helps achieve a smoother finish. Finally, choose the correct attachment head based on the hair length you want to achieve, ensuring a precise and comfortable experience. Now, let's talk about effective trimming techniques. Hold your Vega trimmer at a slight angle, about 45 degrees, against your skin for optimal contact. Gently move the trimmer slowly against the direction of your hair growth. This helps to catch and cut hairs efficiently. Remember to apply gentle, even pressure throughout the process to ensure a consistent and smooth trim without irritation. After you've finished trimming, proper aftercare is essential for healthy skin. Rinse the trimmed area with cool water to help close your pores and reduce any potential irritation. Follow this by applying a soothing moisturizer or an aftershave balm to keep your skin hydrated and smooth. Don't forget to clean your trimmer attachments thoroughly after each use to maintain hygiene and prolong the life of your device. To keep your Vega trimmer in top condition, always store it in a dry, clean place away from moisture. Regularly check your attachment blades and replace any that appear dull or damaged to ensure continued effective performance. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.